Hello world, welcome to edupediaworld.com. In this video, we will have a look at Microsoft Word working with graphics. Now, using graphics to clarify text, explain numbers, or make your whole document more compelling, presentable is easy only once you know how to work with them. These functions really breathe life into your drab and boring black and white text documents. So the graphic design functions include the pictures, the smart art, the screenshots and other items that can be found on the Insert tab, as you can see from this screenshot. So first of all, insert a picture. It simply means that you can insert pictures locally either from a file, drive, etc. Whenever you want to edit a picture or any element placed in a Word document, just click on it and the appropriate tab will appear on the blue ribbon. With pictures, that tab is Picture Tools. Here we can make all kinds of corrections like correct the brightness, contrast, color, or add a border. So this is how you can make your text more presentable, more beautiful by inserting the pictures, the calligraphic arts, and basically you can stylize your document. Now where you position and how you wrap your text also play a large role in formatting the documents, especially for PDF and for the print publication. So when you click on an image or picture in your document, you get a box on each corner which will let you resize the picture. Like where do you want the picture in your text, or at the top, at the bottom, behind the text, in front of the text, and so on. So thus the format picture allows us to specifically resize, rotate and scale the pictures just to make the document more readable, more understandable and beautiful. Now comes shapes. Microsoft Word comes with an array of built-in shapes which we can use to create callouts, boxes, stars and etc. etc. When you choose a shape, you simply draw it on a blank space on the page and can adjust it. The picture is there, then you can adjust it in the way you want to adjust it in your document. Once again, we have the handles available to resize and rotate the shapes for the layout options, like where we want these shapes around the text, fixed position on the page, or we want to move it with the text. All depends according to the requirements of our document. Then comes Smart Art Graphics. Smart Art Graphics is a pre-made drawing canvas that you can insert into your document and then customize it in whichever way you like. Any arrangement can be picked, as you can read from the list as well. List, process, cycle, matrix, pyramid, all the options are there. Just select it and the shape is there for you. The right side of the Format tab is used for affecting changes to text. These include word art styles or any other style you can use, such as text fill, outline the text, and all the predefined shapes and colors are there. Along with the alignment of the text, again layout options are there which can resize the position, which can wrap the text for you. So this is how the things are very easy and more beautiful now. One more beautiful feature of Microsoft Word graphics is this word art feature. Here you can see a lot of word art samples are there. Once you select the text, then by selecting any of these pattern, your document will be converted to that specific pattern. Again, you can change that pattern's color, font size, style according to your document's specifications. Then comes the shape effects. It has the option for enhancing your shapes, many of which will also give them a cool 3D effect that you can adjust by clicking on these 3D options, which you can see on the screenshot as well. Then comes the screenshot option. This feature will allow you to take a screen clip which is automatically pasted in your document. The screen clipping option also is available, which will minimize the word and allowing you to take a selection or full shot of your desktop instantly, and then that will be pasted to your document. Then comes another important graphical feature known as the drop cap. These are simply that one letter at the beginning of a chapter or a book that is larger than the rest. So we can check out its options for more power over how your drop caps behave. Like you can see the options are there. The none means none of the letter will be drop capped. The dropped means the first letter will be dropped. In margin means when the first letter will be dropped, all the rest of the letters will be in the margin. So it simply depends on you, your document specifications, whatever you want to do, all the options are there available for you. So now comes the shortcut keys, which also are available for us to work with in Microsoft Word. These keyboard shortcuts refer to the United States keyboard layout and aim is to focus on the keyboard without using the mouse and also to minimize the use of that blue ribbon. Like instead of using the blue ribbon again and again, we should have learned some little shortcuts to perform some frequent commands. So for keyboard shortcuts in which you press two or more keys at the same time, the keys to press are separated by a plus sign. And for keyboard shortcuts in which you press one key immediately followed by another key, the keys to press are separated by a comma. So now let's have a look at some frequently used shortcut keys. The first of all is the use the open and save as dialog boxes. Whenever you want to display the open dialog box, instead of going to the ribbon, blue ribbon, going to the file menu, just press Ctrl plus O. Similarly, to display the Save As dialog box, press F12. Then to open the selected folder or file, press Enter. To delete the selected folder or file, press Delete. Move forward through options, just use the Tab key. Move back through options, use Shift along with the Tab key. One more beautiful feature of Microsoft Word graphics is this word art feature. Here you can see a lot of word art samples are there. Once you select the text, then by selecting any of these pattern, your document will be converted to that specific pattern. Again, you can change that pattern's color, font size, style according to your document's specifications. Again, now to perform very common tasks in Microsoft Word while typing the document, while making any changes or alterations. Again, we do not have to go to the ribbon again and again. We can memorize these very simple commands. Like to make the letters or text bold, we have Control plus B. To make the letters italic, we have Control plus I. To make letters underline, we have Control plus U. Suppose we want to decrease the font size one value, we have Control plus Shift plus less than sign. Similarly, if we want to increase the font size one value, we have Control plus Shift plus greater than sign. Some more common tasks are like if we want to copy the selected text or object, the command is Control plus C. To cut the selected text or object, the command is Control plus X. To paste, the command is Control plus V. To create a new document, just press Control plus N. To close the document, just press Control plus W. To print the document, we have the command Control plus P. So you also can monitor, like by using these shortcut keys, we also are saving our time to some extent, like again and again going to the ribbon, exploring the file menu, insert menu, tab them. We can use these little commands to perform our frequent actions so that our work done can be more quick and more precise. So thank you for watching video on edupediaworld.com.